Aloha everyone, how are you? Say, I'm reviewing this Bonycust, I hope I'm saying that right, Bonycust folding drying rack. Let me show it to you. I'm just cracking up on the name. Here it is. Now, this is made of aluminum and it has a 180 swing. Oops, well, wait, there you go. 180 swing, which means it goes from side to side like that. Okay, and then it has this 360 swing with the arm. Here, let me show you that. For folding, like that, like so. So you can have it out of the way when you're not using it. It doesn't take up very much space. Now, if I want to fold it the other way, I would just move the arm to this side, like so, and push it back that way, which is normally how I have it. Now I wanted this, at first I thought about using it in the kitchen because the pictures they show you can hang pots, pans, kitchen towels, whatever to dry on this. So it's really space saving. I thought about putting it in the closet for putting my clothes up and stuff. So I might order a second one. And I thought about putting it on the balcony. But here I have an HOA, so I have to ask permission first before I do that. Because I wanted something to dry my clothes on when I come home from the beach. All my shorts and shirts and towels, whatever gets wet. So I thought, hey, put it in the shower. That way it'll just drip down into the shower. I wanted it outside because I thought, well, the wind will, dry it faster. But until the HOA says it's okay, it's in here. Now, this part, it comes assembled. This part comes off. You have to attach, there you go. You have to attach this part first. This is the bracket that holds it. And let me see, where's the hardware? Here you go. It comes with the included hardware. It's usually, I usually use the screws and the anchors. But this time it came with this adhesive. And I'm tired of drilling holes. So I thought, well, let me use this. Now, you should look for, if you're putting this in a wall, you should look for a stud or, something to hold it. But behind this is that rockcrete or rock backing. And then it's a tile. So I used the glue and glued it on. And it comes with these silver strips that you can put on to help hold it in place while it's drying. And then you have to wait 72 hours. But you want a good bond. You don't want it coming off. Now, once that's done, you can take off the strips and then put this arm on. Slides right on there, like that. And then you can tighten it up. There's a little screw on the side here. It has a little stop notch right here, so that's as far down as it goes. Okay, now once it's like that, you can extend it however you want, in whatever configuration you want. It has these little hooks that slide where, they can hold a hanger, or in my case, some wet shorts. So I can put a pair there. I can put a wet shirt here. Now these aren't wet, but if they were, you get the idea. Here's a pair of wet shorts that I wore to the beach today. And there you go. And just let it drip dry. Now it also has this extending arm. So I have this sweater, this hoodie, and this says to line dry or, and I'm afraid to put it in the dryer because if it shrinks, I won't be able to wear it. So I can just toss it over like that and let it drip dry. And it holds quite a lot. I'm surprised. I was waiting for it to fall off the wall, but it hasn't. And it holds things pretty well. And again, it's here in the shower, so as the water drips down, it'll just go down the drain. I still want one out in the balcony, but we'll see. And then probably a couple in the closet, just to hang clothes easier. Okay, well, that's my review on this. I really like it. It's sturdy, it holds a lot. You can, move it out of the way, change the configuration, whatever. Once you're through with this, The little arm slides right back in. Oh, this is made out of aluminum, so it doesn't rust. It says space aluminum. Well, I don't know what that is, but maybe they use this one on the Skylab up there or whatever. And then once you take everything off, you can just fold it shut and have it out of the way. Okay, well, that's my review on this. Again, it's by Bonycust. Bonycust! Anyway, okay, that's my review on this. I like it. I think it's really a good design. This is a 2-fold that I have. It also comes in a 3-fold. And they all have the extension arm on them. Okay, I hope this helps. This is your friend Maui. Sincerely, Charlie. Mahalo. Thank you.